guys, today I want to do a walkthrough of my tiny closet with IKEA hack. It was originally a small closet, not very space efficient. I'll put a before picture here. So I used the IKEA Trofast unit to give it a makeover in order to achieve a more custom look with added storage. The space is located in my home office, which serves as a craft room, a guest bedroom, and also my home office. This unit was originally designed for kids' toys. I really like this unit because it's really affordable, it has clothes storage, and also is great for customization. I'm keeping the original closet rod because I want to reserve the closet functionality of the guest bedroom. So I use it to hang sewing patterns instead. I did paint the rod with white paint and then applied 2 coats of Mod Podge to protect the surface and make it more durable. So inside of the closet, I place a basket for any tall paper rolls I have on hand. I place small size wine crates on the top of the Trofast unit to house small to medium sized items in order to hide the clutter. I'm loving how each one looks so individually unique, and also the wood tone just adds so much warmth to the space. Now let's talk about the DIY process. So first, I paint the entire wall and also the Trofast unit in this light green color. And then to add more personality, I cut out some stars from a paper and use it as a stencil to add some patterns to my wall just to add more interest. This storage unit has a wood finish, so it's really easy to absorb paint. If you are looking to paint your unit as well, make sure to choose a wood finish instead of the laminate. For my closet, I was able to fit 3 units like this. This unit has a great depth. My closet is a standard 24-25 inch deep, so with this unit, I can slide out the drawers completely, and that doesn't happen to most of the drawer units. To install them, I use a wood screw to secure them together, and then I attach them to the wall by L brackets that came from IKEA. And then I just add all the drawers. You can select different size drawers to fit your specific needs. If you like this DIY tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!